The question of who has the most free-kick goals between Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo has been up for debate in the football community. However, it is clear who leads among the two players. In the all-time chart, Lionel Messi leads with 62 free-kick goals compared to Cristiano Ronaldo with 60. The Portuguese forward scored twice as Portugal demolished Liechtenstein 4-0 in the European Championship qualifiers on Thursday. Ronaldo also became the most capped international player in international football with 197, breaking Bayer Al-Mutawa's Kuwait international record of 196. He is expected to extend his lead on the chart with his involvement in the top from subsequent matches. The duo is arguably two of the best players in the 21st century, following their outstanding performance throughout their careers. Lionel Messi spent most of his career with Barcelona and recently joined Paris Saint-Germain. Cristiano Ronaldo, on the other hand, began his career at Sporting CP before switching to Man United. However, most of his career and achievement was with Real Madrid before he eventually moved to Juventus, and recently, Saudi Arabia club Al Nassr. The players met in the same match, in the Spanish El Clásico between Barcelona and Real Madrid, which also produced some free kick goals.